Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about tic-tac game in Python. This game is played by I think everyone in their childhood. So let's play this game in computer. Here is the code for the game. Have a look on code. It is a two-player game. Now we are going to play the game. Enter the name of player 1. Enter the name of player 1. Let any name. Enter the name of player 2. Now you have to choose either 0 or cross for Amit. That's we are going to choose cross for Amit. Now it's time to play the game. Choose box in which you want to put your sign cross or 0. It's time for Naveen. Continue the playing of game. Scoreboard. Player X has won the game. Now turn to choose for Naveen. If you want to continue with the game, then choose for new game. Otherwise, mm, enter 3 for quit the game. Let's here quit the game. Have a look on code once more. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the video channel for more and further videos.